Hi guys, come with me and we unbox this thing. I have a big surprise for you people for our hair care and our beauty skincare. So the things that I brought, you can use it to help you to grow your hair. So if you are someone who is like me, also trying to grow your hair or grow your children hair, these are the basic things that you need to have. You don't need to miss this thing because our sleeping part when you are going to sleep is good for you to protect your hair from very well from breaking, whether you are going to use static bonnet or you are going to use silicone pillowcase. That will help you to not to damage your hair. My daughter told me that she also want to see herself and she want to open it. I tried to bring the camera down, but still because her leg is not lining, it's even pulling herself out, but she cannot see inside. Anyway guys, let's start with our static bonnet. So this is the best thing that at least if you are growing your natural hair, you need to have this type of things, and this is very affordable. You can get it from Timo, you can get it from Shine, you can get it from AliExpress. Online, I'm talking about the online, or Amazon also you can get it. So many, all the online shopping places, you can get it, and it's very affordable. So it doesn't matter when you are going to buy. Don't say, okay, I want to buy the expensive one. Me, I don't buy expensive things, so I manage my life. So I know you also want to manage it. Yeah, you don't want to, if you want to make odogu life, then no problem, you can get the odogu ones also, is there. But if you want to manage it, take it will use what you are not taking it to any place. What you need is just to cover your hair and sleep, or cover your hair while you make your treatment. So these things is going to be okay. I get 5 of it, 5. So the last time also I brought 5, but the only thing, the elastic, the ties is get weak. So that is why I decided to buy new ones again, because they are the old ones, the ties are weak. So you can see the one that I'm holding, even it even can tell you guys, you can see that one is just somehow. So now you can see I love this golden color, guys. After I started trying it, tell me which one is your favorite one. This golden color, I love that color. Yeah, I love it. I love golden color. So which one is your favorite one? Please don't go far away, because we still have essential oils that I'm going to show it to you guys, and it's very affordable for everyone. You can buy it. So I have 5 pieces of it. So now let's put it aside and go to the business. Now that's the main thing that we are going now. Okay, we have to go to the main point, because I know I have so many things. This thing, they disappoint me. That's the shower cap. The way they have been showing it, this one is not all that like the one I was expecting, but it's okay. It can also do something, right? That's our shower cap. My shower cap also is almost like left only 2, and these things is just damaging, is very easy, is damaging very fast. So left 2, I order new one. So now this is my watermelon, watermelon essential oils. So these essential oils are mind-blowing essential oils. You can see me and my daughter, now we are fighting. My daughter say no, she have to take the packet, she have to removing it, and I say no. So I have my watermelon essential oil. Watermelon essential oil is very good essential oil. You can use it to relax yourself, to put it inside your bath. You can use to massage yourself, so many things that you can use this essential oil to do. And now our next essential oil, that one I'm going to open. Let us see. It's just a surprise to me also. Let me open and see which type is that, so that you guys also see. So guys, I'm still removing the things inside, but definitely I'm going to show it to you guys which type of essential oil that I'm holding in my hand right now. That one also is strawberry essential oil. So now we have 2 essential oil. I have watermelon essential oil and strawberry, and these essential oils are, and this is my banana essential oils. These essential oils you can use to massage yourself, to relax your body. It's smelling good, guys. You can use to relax your body, to massage yourself, to put on your skin. You can add it to your creams. You can use it as a beauty care also. Look at this, so my people, this is very beautiful. I love all the essential oils. I love what I bought. I didn't waste money. I did not waste money actually. I didn't waste money. All is not cost me anything even, but it's something, especially we those who are just managing our life, to use 60 or 70 euro to buy something, it's something, yeah, it's something. So for me, it's something. So now, this side, I have three essential oils now, but it's not ending there because we still have a lot of essential. This is my peppermint essential oils, guys. Peppermint essential oil. I will tell you guys, peppermint essential oils are the very beautiful, and peppermint essential oil is the essential oil that you can use. It's stimulating hair growth and improving scalp circulation and reducing irritation. But it's warning to you people. Like the way you can see, I use banana or our watermelon, essential oil on my face. Don't try it that way. This is pineapple also essential oil. I have pineapple essential oil also. This is the warning to the, or what's the name, peppermint essential oil. Don't try to use it raw. Peppermint essential oil is very heavy, it's very strong, so always make sure to dilute it with another oils or put it inside another oil. This is my strawberry essential oil, so use it to add it to dilute with different oils. Don't use that one roughly, okay? That one is very strong, it's for hair. And this is my mango essential oil. Mango essential oil, this is so amazing, right? This is so amazing, guys. I cannot even wait to use these things. I'm so super excited. I'm so super excited. And I have lavender essential oil also. So these are the essential oils that I brought. It's so amazing. I have rose essential oil also. Let's check and see. Mango essential oil. Mango essential oil is amazing for deep hair, hydrating and repairing dry and damaging hair. It's making hair soft and shining. It also helps your skin glow and keep it moisturized. Best way to use it. The best way to use it, mix it with coconut oil for hair mask. You can use it with a coconut oil for hair mask if you want to make hair mask. Okay, you can use it that way. It's going to help you a lot. So I have rose essential oil also. Rose essential oil, that one is luxuria essential oil that I brought. It's very nice because it's also brightening skin and reducing dark spot. Rose essential oil is also anti-aging, and it's also boosting confidence because if it is, it will make you look more beautiful. The rose essential oil is another, that one. All the essential oils is, I know I do the installation, I select it and I get it. So all is very beautiful. All the essential oils are very beautiful. Every essential oil is having the part that is going to be playing. Rose essential oil is for my DIY beauty things. Please check Princess Haircare channel. That channel also, I'm putting DIY beauty things, how to glow your skin, how to take care of your skin. I have a videos in Princess Haircare. When you just write Princess Haircare, we have about 1,180 something plus subscribers. So when you see it, maybe it can happen another Princess Haircare channel also appear. That's why I'm telling you the amount of subscribers that we have. So we have 1,000 plus subscribers. So this is watermelon essential oil. Those essential oil, I selected because some are for my beauty, cosmetic beauty things, and some are for my DIY. This is lavender essential oil. That one I was getting discount. They say 2 when you buy 2. I don't know how much did I buy. Is it 7 euro? Was that? Yeah, 7 euro. I buy that one. So all essential oil plus the things just cost me like 70 euro. It's nothing, right? It's nothing. Because it's good when you buy something and you really enjoy it. You really want what you buy. This mango essential oil, I have this one, but this one is very stronger than the one I just brought today. So this one is smelling very good. It's very nice. It's different. I love that. Even when you just entering the house, my room, where the place I keep my essential oil. That mango essential oil take every place. You can smell it, perceiving the mango smell is very good. Yeah, it's very good, but this one is not smell like the other one, but that one also is okay. Yeah, you can see my daughter, she also take the tin bonnet, also one of it, and go and wear and sitting down looking at the camera. Okay, my people, thank you very much for watching. Please, if you love what we are sharing, please subscribe, like, and share for me. Thank you very much. This channel is all about hair care, you can do to grow your hair, to maintain your hair length. That is what we are talking about. And we have our second channel called Princess Hair Care. It's also the same, but at the same time I'm posting my beauty things, how to take care of your skin, to brighten your skin to look nice. That is what we are doing in that channel. So thank you very much. Bye bye.